We put more water in here and look what happened. It became a monster. Welcome to Corban's sFunLearningAdventures. Hi, I'm Corban, that's Mommy.
Hi.
And today we're going to be doing lava tubes. So stay tuned. The first step is to pour vegetable oil into this tube, and we're going to fill it all the way up to 70 milliliters. Now we're going to put 5 drops of food coloring into this tube. Wow, it sank to the bottom. Look, it's not mixing. The food coloring's not mixing with the vegetable oil.
Oh yeah, it's at the bottom there.
Food coloring's full of water, so it doesn't mix. Water and vegetable oil don't mix. Now I'm gonna put water in there until it gets to 100 milliliters. Oh, look at all the bubbles.
Wow, what's happening? You can see bubbles.
The water is going to the bottoms because it doesn't mix.
Yep, the water's going to the bottom and the oil is sitting on top, right?
Yeah, you can see
The water's going where the food coloring is.
Yeah, there's bubbles there. Science is awesome. We broke one Alka Seltzer tablet into 2 pieces, and now we're gonna put it in the tube. Okay, come on. Whoa, it's red.
Whoa, look at
It's
that.
going up, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up.
Ooh, look at that. Got a lava lamp. Woo!
It looks like a lava lamp, except it's a lot chunky.
Yeah, but
Here.
wait. There's a bigger explosion coming next, right?
Yeah. It's already getting out. The Alka Seltzer is right there. It's getting pushed up by the bubbles. There's a little Alka Seltzer piece right there.
Yeah.
It's getting pushed up by the bubbles. Oh, here the Alka Seltzer goes. Before you put your soap in the tube, you want to make sure that the reaction has calmed down before you do that. As you can see here, it's calmed down. It's going back down to the bottom. Now I'm going to put 5 drops of dish soap in the tube. So, look at all that dish soap. It's raining down. It's kind of mixing the two together. Now we're going to put 1 more tablet of Alka Seltzer in the tube. Let's do this. Whoa! It's going huge! The soap did
Whoa.
oh my. It filled up the whole thing. It's already going to the top! The soap literally made it a huge reaction.
Yeah, the soap made it a bigger reaction.
It's gonna go up to the edge. Whoa. It started flowing!
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And remember to subscribe. Bye.